students. Now today we start our chapter number 19, If I Were You. Now this one is a one-act play. Now the hero of the play, Garrett, is a playwright and he has no time to be social. Besides, he has to go from place to place all of a sudden. People in general are not aware of his profession. A criminal who is mentioned as intruder in the play suspect Garrett to be a criminal like himself. The intruder, being pursued by the police for jewel robbery, plans to kill Garrett and to take on his identity. But Garrett foils the intruder's plan and manages to lock him in a cupboard. He then rings up one of his friends to send the sergeant to arrest the intruder. Students, this is the one act play. ये एक नाटक है and in this play there are two characters. One is Garrett and the other one is intruder. So Garrett is the hero of that play. Garrett जो है वो इस play का hero है and वो एक playwright है और उसके पास social होने का कोई time नहीं है. वो place to place आता जाता रहता है अचानक से. तो जनरल जो लोग हैं वो उसके प्रोफेशन के बारे में ज़्यादा अवेयर नहीं है. एक क्रिमिनल है इंट्रूडर, वो उसको मेंशन किया गया है प्ले में, इंट्रूडर जो सस्पेक्ट करता है गैरेट को कि अपने जैसा ही एक वो भी क्रिमिनल है. तो इंट्रूडर एक ज्वेल रॉबरी का एक प्लान है उसका, तो उसमें वो ऐसा परस्यूट करता है कि जो गैरेट है उसको मारकर वो उसकी आइडेंटिटी लेना चाहता है. लेकिन जो गैरेट है वो किस तरह से इंट्रूडर के प्लान को फेल करता है और किस तरह से उसको कबर्ड में लॉक करता है, उसके बारे में ये पूरा प्ले है. Now the characters of the play is Garrett and intruder. Now the scene is a small cottage interior. एक cottage का scene है. There is an entrance back right. Another door to the left must be a practical door. And the furniture is simple, consisting of a small table towards the left, a chair or two, and a divan rather upstage on the right. Now this one is the whole scene of the cottage. Now when the curtains rises, जब पर्दा उठता है, Garrett is standing by the table phoning. Garrett टेबल पे फोन करता हुआ खड़ा हुआ है and he is of medium height and wears horn rimmed glasses. मीडियम हाइट का है और उसने horn rimmed glasses पहनी है. He is dressed in a lounge suit and a great coat and his voice is cultured. Now here students, this one is a drama. So here are the dialogues of the Garrett and the intruder. So I explain you the story in summarized way. The play opens with the telephonic conversation of Mr. Garrett with someone. He is a person of average height. He is busy in packing his traveling bag. Now just as he is ready to leave, a man enters his cottage. He has a revolver. He asks Garrett to hold his hands up. He then sits on the chair and wants to know about Garrett. He asks him about his name, his habits, and other routine things. Garrett replies him that he is an introvert. He avoids meeting people. The intruder says that he himself is a jewel thief. Police is after him and he has killed a policeman. Now he will kill Garrett and live in his cottage in the disguise of Garrett. Garrett now plays a trick and says that he himself is a criminal. Police is after him too. His bag is full of make-up material and false mustaches. He keeps them so that he may dodge the people by looking different. The police may reach there at any time. He has managed a man on the main road who will tell him about the movement of the police. Just then the telephone bell rings. Garrett tells him that the police is about to reach. By opening the gate of the garage, He asked the intruder to see the police. As the intruder keeps in, Garrett pushes him into the cupboard. He locks the door. He takes the revolver of the intruder. He makes certain telephone calls. He asks one of them to send the sergeant to his place to arrest a thief who is in the cupboard and beating its doors. So students, this is the summary of that play. So you have to read it and try to understand it.